Hello, my name is Design Ghost and welcome to another episode of our design series where we learn everything design. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. Today, we are going to learn how to create a login or a sign up authentication page in Figma. We continue our UI UX design journey. So, without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into the video. So we hop on to Figma, we select frame. Before we begin, if you want an introduction to Figma, on your screen is a video that will take you step by step through the interface of Figma. Okay, so let's continue. We are going to use mobile phone because it's an authentication, a login or a sign up authentication page for a mobile app. So I would want to use the iPhone 16 Pro, and we want to preview so that we see whatever that is going on. So this little icon here, there's a drop down arrow here, we click on it and we make sure it is the preview that we are previewing. So we click on it for Figma to preview a mobile phone space for us to see whatever that is going on while we design. So first thing that we are going to do is to bring in an ellipse. We are going to draw an ellipse, hold shift and draw an ellipse. Okay, after drawing the ellipse, we make sure it is inside our frame. All right, let's position it. Okay, let's give it a fill, but we want a gradient fill, so we are going to select the gradient. We are going to change the positioning. Then with this first color, we're going to decrease the opacity. Close. And this is the hex code, so if you want to copy and follow along, F8D2FFF, then we can close it. And that's all that we are going to do for a background as our login page. So we can select that, including the frame selection. We're gonna call it background. Now we are going to add some icons here. We are going to add battery, network and Wi-Fi. So with the help of Iconify, so plugins, Iconify, battery, pick this. Sorry. Let's increase it a bit. Let's put it here. Let's increase it a bit. Hold shift and increase it. It's too big. Shift and let's decrease it a bit. Let's bring it down. Iconify again. Plugins, Iconify, Wi-Fi. All right. Let's close this. Bring it out and delete the frame. Increase it a bit. Position it close to battery. Another icon. Plugins. Iconify. Network. Signal. So let's see. Okay, this. Close it again. This and delete the frame. C20 by 20. Still big. Let's hold Alt and zoom. Let's delete the frame. Can group them. Icons. Can lock the background so that we don't get to move some important things. All right. So we can add our tests. Login. Typography. We are using pop-ins. I think 32 will do. Login. Okay. Let's add some time. Hold Alt duplicate, pop-ins, regular, (16), medium. Let's bring it a bit down. Just change it to bold, and time 5:30. All right, we can save this as part of our styles so that we don't get to select these formatting styles again. So we can call it H3. Under logins, we are going to write don't have an account, sign up. Typography. Let's detach the previous one and make some slight changes. Let's detach it. We want regular. 16 is fine. So we are going to call this H4 so that we don't get to repeat it. H4. Let's position it well. Let's hold Alt. Let's hold Alt, click and drag. Sign up. We are going to use H3 because we want it to be bold, so we'll detach it. H3, sorry. Detach it. H3. Let's detach it because we want to change the color, the fill. So F8D2FF. Let's make this a bit brighter. Great. Now let's create a space for our sign in option. So we are going to bring in a rectangle. We are going to give it a background of white and a stroke of ash. And a stroke width of 2, corners of 50. Let's bring it a bit down. Let's see if we can change it to 1.5. Now we are going to put in telephone numbers. So hold Alt and duplicate this. Let's take it up. +233. Let's detach and use H3. We draw another rectangle, but there's just a line. Great. Select the frame selection, call it button. Eclipse, you can lock it. Icons, we can lock it. Don't have an account, sign up. We can select the 2. Frame selection, call it test, and lock that as well. Button. Let's put this in button. Let's put this in button. Let's hold Alt and duplicate. Delete the line. Password. Let's detach and use H4. Typography, detach, H4. Let's move a bit. Iconify. Lock. Shift and increase it a bit. Select the frame and let's delete the frame. Let's reduce the opacity a bit. We duplicate this text. Then forgot password. Let's detach. This time around we want a smaller font size, so about 12 will do. Then we want bold and the color. Our login page is almost ready. corners to 50. Fill to our base color. We test. Login. Typography detach H3. Select that and the frame selection back. Let's use the auto layout. Right, then we can call it button. Forgot password is part of tests. Alright, then we can add social media handles here, so you can sign up with you can log in with your social media handles. So let's bring our social media iconify again, plugins, so you can have like Facebook, can have like Google, can have like Instagram, I think it's okay, so let's bring them in and arrange them well. Hold Control and zoom. Delete the frame. Delete the frame. And delete the frame. Select one width, let's see 20. Sorry. So let's zoom, control, zoom, and let's zoom. Can frame selection, align to the middle, and our login page is ready. So we can call this login. Now it's left with our sign up page, so we just have to duplicate the login page and make some few touches to it. So I'll hold Alt and duplicate. Then I'll call this sign up. Let's preview this. let's make some few changes to it. This one I'll call it create account. Then I'll change the text here. I'll say already have an account. Let me unlock all these layers so that I can simply edit text. So already have an account. And this one becomes sign in. Let me move it. Now this becomes name, but I would have to detach it because we don't need a bold, so I would have to detach and use an H4. Let's zoom and see what's happening. Then I'll say name. Delete the rectangle. Delete the lock. Move. Email or phone. Delete this as well. So I'll duplicate this button. So let me duplicate this. And bring this button a bit down. Then here, password. Then I'll change this login to sign up. And the last thing that I would want to add is a back arrow here, so that you can, when you are prototyping, you can toggle between sign up and sign in, and it can take you to sign up and it can bring you back. So iconify, plug into iconify. Choose this. Frame, sorry. Let's delete the frame. Hold Control. Let's position it at the top. And that's it. We've been able to create a login and a sign up authentication page for a mobile app. This brings us to the end of today's episode of our design series and our UI UX journey. If this video was helpful to you, kindly share for others to benefit, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have watched up to this point and you've still not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put us on post notifications so that you do not miss any amazing content we post here. My name is Design Ghost, and see you in the next episode. Bye.